How to become a productive individual. To-do lists. To-do lists often fail because we attempt to accomplish too many things at once or underestimate how much time task will take. A realistic to-do list can help you accomplish your goals. Check off items as they are completed and feel good about the progress you've made. Focus. Stop doing several things at once. Focus on one task and get it done before moving on to something else. Set small goals for your tasks. When you're trying to accomplish multiple goals at once, it's easy to become overwhelmed and lose focus. Responsibility. Do not assume that you can delegate accountability to a spouse or another family member. Find ways of holding yourself accountable and following up on your own initiatives. Collaborate. Find a mentor to report or a partner to keep note of your work progress. Combine similar tasks into sets and complete them to boost your productivity. Freshen up. Get outside and enjoy the day. Exercise your body by walking or jogging. Prioritize and become disciplined in your decision making.